Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix MMS messaging requires your phone number in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to enable MMS messaging or you want to send MMS messages to anyone, you see an error which is MMS messaging require your phone number. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to open your settings, go to general, try to update your software, then you have to simply go back and just go to apps section. And you just have to try to add your phone number in your messages app. So not to do this, you simply go to messages app here, and here just scroll down and you'll see the iMessage option. Just enable it first, then tap on the send and receive option. And here you'll see that which account you have to log in. So you can see I have logged in with my mail account. You just have to tap on it, then tap on sign out. And after signing out, you have to try to re-sign in using your phone number. So once you have signed in using your phone number, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to use your Apple Support app to get off your help. And to do this, simply open your Apple Support app, select iPhone from here, select more option, select messages app, and here just look for messages, and then just select the get more help option from here. Then tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You just have to dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.